County, Kentucky, Southwestern Hardin County in central Kentucky, southern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, Northwestern Barren County, Kentucky, eastern Ohio County in central Kentucky, Edmonson County, Kentucky, until 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. At 4:29 p.m. or 3:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Litchfield to 9 miles northwest of Cross Plains, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Litchfield around 3:35 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Ohio, Kentucky,